Hey guys, I'm Abby, and welcome back to OneCodeCamp channel. Today, we continue with our MongoDB series. We have come to the last part of our MongoDB Crud operations in MongoDB shell, and we will talk about the delete operation. We will add a few tips here and there, and we are also going to introduce a new MongoDB lesson. Let's go! In the previous videos, we learned the three parts of MongoDB CRUD operation, which is create, read, and update. We learned the commands that we can use for creating, reading, updating one or multiple documents. Today, we are going to learn the last part of MongoDB CRUD operations, and that is delete. Delete operations operate on a single collection, like update and create operations. Delete operations are also atomic for a single document. Again, it means that deleting either succeeds completely or fails completely. There is no partial success. It is very important to remember that, just like in updating documents, you should be careful when deleting documents, as update and delete are permanent and cannot be rolled back. MongoDB has two different methods of deleting records from a collection. The first one is db.collection.delete1, and the next is db.collection.deleteMany, where again, just as a review, DB is the current database that we are in, and collection is the one that we want to use. For example, in our case, we are using the songs collection. Since I've mentioned earlier to be careful when deleting documents, there is one thing that I want to show you before we start deleting things inside our collection. And this is export the current data in a collection. We are going to do this inside MongoDB Compass. This is useful so that we don't have to redo everything from scratch. Instead, we are just going to import it later on. To do that, let's find the Export Data button, then select Export Full Collection. Select the export file type, and in this one, I'm going to choose JSON. You can choose CSV if you want, but in this tutorial, we are going to make use of JSON. And we have here a drop-down for advanced JSON format, and we are just going to leave this as it is. And then click Export. And then we are going to browse the folder where we want to save this, and then click Select. Later, I'm going to show you how to import that data back. Okay, let's start deleting some of our data in here. Let's go ahead to MongoDB shell. First, we are going to see how to delete a single document. Let's first check all of our documents, db.songs.find. Then we are going to copy the ID of one song document to delete a single song document. Again, we are using the ID property to make sure that we are getting the correct document. You can use any other properties like the artist, but that can cause confusion since we have multiple documents with ViewMap, for example, as the artist, and it's only gonna delete the first one it finds. And it can also be a bit dangerous since you cannot undo the delete operation. So let's use the ID. db.songs.delete1 and then the ID. So here, there is only one argument, and that is the specific document that we want to delete. This should be an object, so we forgot to put curly braces in there. Let's put that there. Oh, we misplaced one curly brace, so let's do that again. And it should be right here. All right. Here we see acknowledged, true, and we have this deleted count of 1. We can check our documents again. And notice that that specific document is now gone. We can also delete many or multiple documents at once. Since we have 2 view maps artists, let's try deleting those 2. We can type in db.songs.delete any. Then what we can pass in as an argument is any property that we want to delete. Earlier, we made use of the ID to specify the song document that we want to delete. This time, since we want to delete multiple documents, we are going to make use of the artist. db.songs.delete many, and then the artist view map. All right. Let's check our documents again. db.songs.find. And we can now see that we have deleted those song documents with the artist of view map. Since we have deleted many documents here, just to show you guys how to do it, let's practice that by doing the same thing with other properties. Let's make use of the rating. So that's db.songs.delete many, and then the rating of 9. Then let's delete everything now by using 8 and then 7, so that we don't have to delete everything from MongoDB Compass. Right now, when we check that by using find, it is now empty. And if we go back to MongoDB Compass, and refresh this one, it is now deleted as well. Now we can import everything back, add data, and then import JSON or CSV file, and look for our JSON file that we have exported previously. This is the file right here, and import. Now we got everything back. We have now completed the Crud operations in MongoDB. That's create, read, update, and delete. You can practice the commands that we have learned so far, create your own database, create collections, and create documents in there. Play around in your MongoDB shell and MongoDB Compass as well. In the next lesson of our MongoDB series, we are going to talk about relationships in MongoDB. A relationship represents how different types of documents are logically related to each other. It can either be one-to-one or one-to-many. And it can be represented using two different models, embedded and reference model. Stay tuned to learn more about this, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.